Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a very beautiful embroidered phone cover. So let's get started. For today's project, we are going to use this fabric, which is a cross stitch fabric, Aida needlework fabric. This is by Pony. I've taken it out of the packet. First thing we are going to do is we are going to trace our cover dimensions on this. I'm going to take a pen, pencil or any kind of marker and just mark the outside of this phone. And then we are going to cut this out. We'll cut this with our Pony scissors. To cut this part here, I'm just going to fold the fabric and cut right. Now this is ready for cross stitching. I'm going to make a very cute design over it, and I'm not going to tell you what the design is at this point. So you have to follow me along, watch the entire video to see what we make here. So for this particular project, I'm going to use 3 different embroidery floss colors. First 2 I'm going to take from this box. This is by Pony. This is a 6-strand embroidery floss. There are total 18 colors in this, and there are 2 bundles of each color. So there are total 36 bundles in this. And I'm going to take 2 colors from this. One is black and one is little lighter brown. This is the black that I'm going to use. The shade is C013. This shade is C101. I'm going to take one more color, but it's from a special embroidery floss. These are 6-strand metallic floss. There are 8 colors in this, 2 bundles of each color, so total 12 bundles. I'm going to take one color from this, and that will be darker brown. The shade is M301. For needles, I'm going to take this gold-dyed tapestry needle. This is specially made for cross stitch and needle points. I'm actually going to take 3 from this for the 3 different colors that we are going to use. And I'm going to use my needle threader. Thread the floss in the needle. I'm going to start with this metallic color. I'm only going to take 2 strands out of the 6. Similarly, I'm going to thread the other colors as well, so I have everything ready when I start. I'm going to pull a few times and snip it off. Like the metallic one, I'm going to take only 2 strands from this. The eye of this needle is so beautiful that I'm not even needing the needle threader, but I'll be using it anyway. Place my needle threader through it. The same thing with the black. So now that everything is ready, let's begin. So here is our final product. Now we'll fit it inside this case. That's it. Don't forget to make such phone covers for your cases. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more tutorials like this. Bye bye.